In this video, I am going to show you how observability and management customers can now use the newly launched Oracle Digital Assistant powered by OCI Generative AI. The digital assistant uses retrieval-augmented generation, also called as RAG. So when you ask a question, it dynamically retrieves relevant information from the extensive observability and management documentation and provides you with a precise response. All right, so let's get started. To access the digital assistant, you would click on the Help button on the right side of the top menu bar, and then click on the Request Help button. This opens the Gen AI support chat panel with some suggested questions. You could click on those buttons, or you can ask your own question. Let's say you are using Application Performance Management Service and would like to know how to deploy APM Java agent on OKE. So let's type this question in natural language: how to deploy APM Java agent on OKE, and press enter. In the backend, it is using the RAG service to retrieve the relevant documents, augment the prompt, and using LLM to generate a response back. The digital assistant came back with a response and displays a few resources. These resources are links to the documentation that are very relevant to this topic. You can scroll to the right to view more. The first resource is a link to the exact documentation that you need. You can click on it to open the document. It opens in a new window, and the documentation shows you on how to deploy APM Java agent. Let's close this documentation and go back to the chat. Let's say now you have deployed the agent, but running into some connectivity problems, maybe unable to connect to the upload endpoint. You can ask the digital assistant in natural language to help you. How to diagnose connection issues with APM upload endpoint. Press enter. You would notice that the chat carries the context. It knows from previous message that you are asking about agent. The digital assistant has come back with a response with some steps on how to diagnose this issue. You can refer to these steps, or if you want to see more details, you can scroll down and click on the View Resources. The response provides you with a few helpful resources. You can again scroll to the right to see even more references and links to documentation. Let's click on the first link. It opens the documentation for exactly what you're looking for: how to troubleshoot APM Java agent deployment. You can close the documentation and head back to the support chat panel. At this point, you could either ask for a follow-up question, or click on the Live Agent button to chat with the live agent, or click on a Support Request button to open a service request, or provide feedback with a thumbs up or thumbs down button. Since our query was resolved with an accurate response, I'm going to click on the thumbs up button. The digital assistant thanks you for the positive feedback, and you can now click on the End Chat Session button to end the chat and return back to the original page. Thank you for watching.